This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Battery replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with the prop rod. Loosen the air inlet tube hose clamp, then disconnect the inlet tube from the air filter housing cover. Disconnect the breather hose from the air filter housing. Unlatch the filter cover retaining clips, then remove the cover by sliding it rearward to disengage the rear tabs, then lifting it off of the housing. Pull the filter element out of the housing. Remove the filter housing from the retaining grommets. Loosen the cable nut from the battery negative terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Unscrew the cable nut and disconnect the cable from the positive battery terminal. Remove the battery hold-down clamp. Remove the battery protective cover, then lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. Make sure that the cable ends are capable of providing a clean connection to the battery terminals. To ensure this, clean the cables with the battery brush. Clean the battery tray, making sure the battery will be set on a smooth, even surface. Install the battery evenly into the battery tray and install the battery protective cover. Install the battery hold-down clamp. Tighten the clamp bolt securely. Connect the positive cable first, then the negative cable last, to the battery. Tighten the battery cable clamp nuts securely. Install the air filter housing, securing the bottom studs into the retaining grommets. Connect the breather hose. Install the air filter evenly into the housing. Install the filter housing cover by first connecting the inlet tube and engaging the rear slots. Secure the cover with the retaining clips. Tighten the intake tube hose clamp securely.